Hey, what's up, you guys? Mark here. So, tonight is the night that, well, actually, not tonight. Tomorrow is the day that we start over on our WEBULL account with $120, and we're going all the way up to 100 grand, right? I posted a few things on my social media platforms. Just kind of giving you guys a heads up of what you're getting into or what I'm getting into, and if you participate or join along or do exactly what I'm doing, what you're getting into, I guess, right? Something I didn't mention on there, because I'm about to repeat all those things again, just on video this time, in case you don't like to read, because I know I write a lot sometimes. I something I didn't write on there is I am super nervous to do this. Excited but nervous because there's a couple hundred of you that are actually going to participate in this, or at least what it seems like you're going to participate in this and join in and actually buy the same exact stocks that I'm buying and selling and whatnot. And it makes me nervous because I feel like I almost have your money in my hands, but it's not me pressing the buttons, right? It's you guys are in complete control of your accounts. And it makes me nervous to know that because some of you are starting at $120 like I am, but some of you may be starting with more and just following the same trades and patterns and whatnot. And yeah, I'm super nervous about this. This is the first time I'm doing this where I'm actually taking people along with me as I start over. Because usually I'll just start over every year and make the money my way, whatever, however I do it, right? But this time there's all between all the platforms I'm using, there's damn near 1,000 of you that are going to be following exactly what I'm doing, which some people that may not be a lot, but to me, that's a lot. And I guess I feel honored at the same time, but I'm very nervous to do this, and that's why I wrote a lot of the things that I wrote earlier. I need all of you to know that this may be a great success, but it may also be a complete failure, right? This $120 you're about to invest may just go down the drain into nothing, right? Um, that's why I wrote what I wrote. And the first thing that I wrote on there that you need to understand is I'm not a financial advisor. I do not have a license. I am not licensed to tell you what to buy, what to sell, when to buy, when to sell, how to invest your money, where to invest it in. That I am not licensed to do that. So I just want to make sure you guys know this up front. I say it on almost all my posts. I have put that disclaimer up, but I want to make sure you guys are we're transparent, and this $120. If you go down this road with me, it may turn into nothing. Okay, I usually restart with 25 grand, uh, for the reason that I'm able to day trade at that with that much. But this time we're starting at $120 so that the people with less or just starting can actually restart and refresh and start from scratch, right? I think a lot of the people following right now are people who have maybe never invested or are new to it, maybe a few months into it, or just aren't doing well and want to pick up on some of the tactics that I use to basically be successful in trading, right? Um, so real quick before I go on, I am gonna read over those few bullet points that I noted out in my post. One, I already said I'm not a financial advisor. What I say is my opinion, not facts, and should not be taken as financial advice. Two, all the information, regardless of the fact that I've been accurate damn near 100% in the past few years, all the information I share or point out is again my opinion. Price points, buy points, sell points, stock predictions, etc. All of it is based on my research and my opinion and should not be thought of as facts. Number three, do not invest more than you can afford to lose. This $120 we're investing could go straight to zero. Nothing, straight to zero. Nothing is ever set in stone, regardless of how much research we do, right? And I am not responsible for your losses. I'm sorry. That's a risk that if you take to choose, that's on you, right? Obviously, if you lose, I lose because we'll be investing in the same thing. Um, Number four, my time frame to reach 100K is about 3 years or within 3 years. It's not going to be a quick turnaround for those of you that are looking for something within a few weeks or a few months. That this is not it. It's going to take, within 3 years. So we're starting at $120. Anybody that can turn $120 into 100 grand within a year or less, hooray for you. You're doing something right. But we're going to do this the safe way, or what I think is the safe way. So it's going to take a little longer. We're going to make smart decisions and go based off of what's the best option for us. Number five, we're only trading stocks. Actually, I was going to say we're trading stocks and crypto, but we're only going to trade stocks because what I was told is that in some states or countries, other people using Webull cannot trade crypto. So we're not going to trade crypto. We're just going to do straight stocks so that everybody can fit in. Number six, I'll be posting additional information on my YouTube. So I think most of you have already seen that. If not, I'll put it somewhere on here. Number seven. Oh, that's for the group page. So if you're in the Facebook group page, uh, anything that I say, or if I'm talking about this specific Webull account, I'll start that out on my post that this is, the Webull 100K challenge. Okay, just so you guys don't mix it up with the other accounts that I have. You guys, I think some of you know I have like 7 different trading accounts just for stocks, and then another like 5 for crypto. So I'm gonna try not to mix them up. I Robinhood is still what I'm gonna use for most people, as far as the other stocks I invest in, but Webull is what I'm using this $100,000 challenge on. Again, those are the things I listed earlier. Now, to tell you guys what you may or may not learn from joining in on this is understanding charts, right? I take a lot of time to understand charts, and what I plan to do is make a chart for every stock that I/we are going to invest in. So, and I don't know if I'll do it live or I'll record a video or something, but I plan to go over how to read the charts, the basic patterns I look for, and yeah, basically just how to understand a chart. Simple as that. The research that I do, that's another thing. I'm going to go over the research that I do on each of these stocks. So, for example, tomorrow, I haven't even decided on the first stock yet. I'd prefer not. A few things I'll point out, I'll tell you now is it's going to be more than likely a penny stock, something that we can get a good amount of shares of. Penny stock is anything under $5. That's at least the definition for it. So anything under $5 where we can get quite a few shares, and if it has a good, um, if it takes off, then we just made some good money, right? But I'm still deciding. I'm probably going to be up pretty late tonight trying to figure out just which stock exactly we're going to start with tomorrow. And I'm thinking the time frame tomorrow morning is probably going to be 6 a.m. that I'll be up, and I'll start posting or writing or something, maybe even earlier than that. But you guys will know the exclusively first. The Facebook group page will know which stock we're going to throw that $120 at, or which few stocks. It might be more than one. But for right now, that's all I got to say. Just look out for it tomorrow morning. Maybe tonight I'll post something else, but tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., San Diego, California time, that's when I'm going to start, or I'll give some more information out for where we're going with the stock pick. Until then, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for following. I'm really excited and nervous for this, and let's get that 100 grand. Gee.